DMP is free, open-source music catalog management software. Today we talk about recordings and releases. Well, I'll ask you to watch the episode 6 of TGT Tutorials first. It covers recordings in detail, and DMP has all the features described there, when it comes to recordings. Actually, DMP currently has more features regarding recordings. Let me explain. Both DMP and TGT receive 2 upgrades per year, usually in January and July for DMP, and March and September for TGT. DMP has only basic features, both stable and experimental. TGT has advanced features, but they have to be well tested to get to TGT. If you think that DMP users are guinea pigs, you are right. There is no free lunch. At this moment, DMP's last upgrade was released in January 2022, several weeks ago. And they were largely about recordings and releases. TGT received its last upgrade in September 2021, so it is lagging back. So, in this video, we are talking about the latest features, audio files, images and public descriptions, and their usage in shareable playlists. They can also be used through the RESTful API, but that topic is too technical for non-developers. We'll add more features in the July upgrade. If you have a suggestion, leave a comment. Okay, let's then see what is new. In the work editing view, for every recording, you can now add an MP3 file. The same is also available from the recordings section, as shown here. We have had releases section for a while, but now they are becoming useful. You can now add cover arts and public descriptions to releases. Of course, you can also add tracks. And, the most important addition are shareable playlists. Here is an example. They are similar to releases, but they have an expiry date. They are no longer available after this date. Also, 2 links are provided. They contain secret code, so you can share them and be sure that only people with the valid link can access the playlist. The view your contact can open is simple, showing only the basic data. Playlist name, cover art and description, as well as basic data about each of the tracks. By clicking on the link at the bottom, you can access the raw data. All of it, including detailed data about works. So, if you want to customize your client-facing view, you can either fork the project and change the template, or use REST API. Both require basic software development skills. A WordPress plugin will be available soon. It will also utilize other API endpoints, such as detailed data about releases, as shown here. This can be used for featuring new releases, and for various uses in library music. We'll cover these topics in a separate, very technical video. For comparison, the series with TGT Tutorials is linked here. Below is the whole DMP series. Here are Music Publishing 101 series, and the series about registering musical works internationally. Please like, share, subscribe, and keep watching.